Debt Arbitrage, the secret weapon of the wealthy series. The Wealth Architect, Episode 2, Debt is not a cage. Most people are terrified of debt. They were taught that debt is a burden, a weight around their neck, a cage that keeps them trapped in jobs they hate. And for 90% of the population, that is true. But for the Wealth Architect, debt is not a cage. It is a ladder. It is a tool used to reach higher ground, faster than anyone could on their own. Welcome back to the J Guru channel. Last week, we mastered the 1% rule. We learned that small, daily gains create mathematical certainty. Today, we take that certainty and apply it to the most misunderstood concept in finance. We are talking about debt arbitrage. Part 2. What is debt arbitrage? In its simplest form, arbitrage is the act of buying something in one market and simultaneously selling it in another at a higher price. You keep the difference. Debt arbitrage applies this to money itself. It is the strategic move of borrowing capital at a low interest rate and immediately deploying it into an asset that earns a higher return. Most people use debt to buy things that lose value, like cars, clothes, or vacations. This is bad debt. It takes money out of your pocket. Wealth architects use debt to buy things that produce value. This is good debt. As we discussed in our study of practical wisdom's rules, debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. If you know how to use it, you thrive. If you don't, it destroys you. The mechanics of the spread. Let's look at the mechanics. This is what we call the spread. Imagine you can borrow $10,000 at a 4% interest rate. That is your cost of capital. Now, imagine you invest that $10,000 into an asset. A high-yield index fund or a small business that returns 8%. At the end of the year, you owe the bank $400 in interest. But your asset has produced $800 in profit. After paying back the bank, you are left with $400. You didn't use a single dollar of your own money to make that profit. You used the bank's money. You used the spread. This is exactly how banks operate. They pay you 1% interest on your savings account. They lend that same money to someone else for a 15% credit card rate. They are the masters of arbitrage. To build wealth, you must stop being the one paying the spread and start being the one earning it. Risk management. But be warned. Arbitrage is a high-level tool. If the ladder isn't secure, you will fall. There are 3 rules for debt arbitrage to be safe. The interest must be fixed. Never use variable rate debt for arbitrage. If the bank raises your rate, your profit disappears. The asset must be proven. Do not borrow money to gamble on moonshot, crypto, or unproven stocks. Your return must be more certain than your cost. Liquidity is king. You must always have the cash flow to cover the debt payments, even if the asset doesn't pay out immediately. If you don't respect these rules, you aren't an architect. You are a gambler. This week, your mission is to audit your debt. Look at every loan you have. Are you paying someone else's spread? Or are you using that capital to build your own? Check your interest rates. Look for opportunities where you can refinance high interest, bad debt, into low interest, good debt. This was week 2 of the Wealth Architect. You are now 10% of the way through your blueprint. Next week, we move into the digital world. We will discuss ghost assets, how to build assets that exist entirely online but pay you in real-world currency. I am J Guru, where your money matters. Master the spread. Build your future. This week, your mission is to audit your debt. Look at every interest rate you are paying. Are you feeding someone else's empire, or building your own? If you found value in this breakdown, hit the subscribe button and join the 20-week blueprint. We are moving beyond survival and into architectural precision. If you are struggling with bad debt and need a strategy to flip the script, email me directly at j.moneyguru@gmail.com for a confidential session. No obligations, just clarity. Next week, we enter the digital frontier. We will discuss ghost assets, how to build wealth that exists entirely online.